Using the baseline sit and reach. Before performing the standard flexibility test, make sure the subject is warmed up. Remove your shoes and place your feet squarely against the box, no wider than 8 inches apart. Have your toes pointed toward the ceiling. Sit on the floor with your hips, back, and head against the wall. Extend your legs fully with the back of your knees touching the floor. For the back saver method, extend one leg and bend the other. The bottom of your feet should rest firmly against the foot plate. Instruct the subject to place one hand on top of the other with his or her palms down and reach as far as possible. The head and back can come off the wall, but the back of the knees must be kept flat against the floor unless you're using the back saver method. While stretching, the subject should push the finger plate along the top of the tester as far as possible. There should be no lunging forward or any sort of momentum used to force the stretch. The stretch should be held for about 1 second. The test should be repeated 3 times. The best of the 3 trials can be used to determine the level of flexibility. It displays measurements in both inches and centimeters. Look up your flexibility percentile ranking under the appropriate age and gender categories on the side of the flexibility tester. Contact us for more information.